Let's get started. In the search bar at the top, we'll search for Apple Developer Account and click the first result. This takes us to the official Apple Developer website. You can see the homepage now. We'll navigate to the sign-in. We're now on the Apple sign-in page. You'll need to enter your Apple ID, either your email or phone number. After signing in, we are on the Enroll page. You can enroll today. With the app iPhone, iPad, or Mac, you can tap Download on the App Store. The App Store has opened, and it's showing the Apple Developer app. Hit Download. After Apple Developer app has been installed, the first thing that appears is a notification permission prompt. You can tap Notifications. Now we are inside the Apple Developer app. Bottom left, you can see Apple Account, Sign In, which we'll tap to start enrollment. You see it shows the signed in, and below, that is a Create Profile. Let's tap Enroll Now. Here, that detailed screen of what the Apple Developer Program includes, and you can see the subscription cost. Tap Continue to proceed. Then hit I agree. A contact information form appears. It says, enter your name and phone number to continue.
Next comes the address entry step. Fill the address details, scroll down, and confirm all details are correct. After that, select entity type of your organization. Hit Continue.
Now, Apple shows the full program license agreement. You must tap Agree to continue with the enrollment. After that, annual membership subscription screen appears. It also shows your unique enrollment ID with subscription fee. Tap this button to proceed to the Apple payment screen and complete your enrollment.